Hi y'all, Dan here. Thanks for joining me.
I'm wondering if you'd go wandering with me through the wilderness and woods to where the winds are blowing free, through the darkness of the night, heading toward the morning light. I wonder if you'd wander with me.
Well, good Monday morning. Well, I just left Tri-Corner Knob Shelter and getting started on the day, planning on a 15-mile day today. It'll be my longest yet, but it's mainly downhill and getting in sort of an early start, not as early as I'd planned. It was funny. There were like 40 tents scattered all over that shelter area, and then probably another 20 people in the shelter. Shelter designed for 12. Definitely in the bubble. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm just trying to push through, but I don't know. Anyway, the only tent sites were really on slopes, and so I oriented my tent so that my feet were downhill and my head was uphill. I thought that'd be better, and dreamed in the middle of the night that I had fallen off the bed. I was trying to figure that out, and then all of a sudden I realized that I had fallen off the end of my air mattress. I was in my sleeping bag all crumpled up, and I didn't know how to get out, so I had to sit and work on getting out of my sleeping bag first and then getting back up on the air mattress. And I wrestled that all night long. I was sliding down the air mattress toward the floor, the end of the tent, and it was not the most restful night, but it worked. But I want to show you this morning view today. Smokies are beautiful. Hiking along, I'm feeling good. I think I'm going pretty fast. And then these young people just come and blow right past you. Good for them. Good for them. Do meet some great people out here, and they're friendly and they're caring, supportive. So that part is nice. And you get out on the trail and you almost feel secluded. But then in the evenings, it's so crowded. But we'll see how it is once we get out of the Smokies and people can disperse a little bit. It might get better. All right. Make it on up the trail here. Well, I was gonna take a break in about 30 minutes, but I can't pass this up. So let me show you what I found. Hey, this is incredible. Here I am at Cosby Knob Shelter, down that way, and you can see there's the notice sign. The shelter's closed, so I'm heading on down to the Davenport Gap Shelter. Hope to be able to bring you a treat before I close this video tonight. I'm gonna try. So let me get on up here another mile and a half, and I'll let you know what I'm trying to bring. Okay. Now I went up one tower to show you how much I loved you, but now
this tower, I have been climbing up these rocks for quite a while. And this is the Mount Cammerer fire tower. It was built during the Depression era by the Civilian Conservation Corps, the CCC. And I've been climbing up here to be able to share this with you. And hopefully it's unlocked. And if it is, we'll go inside and I'll give you the view of this beautiful place. Probably the last and greatest view of the Smoky Mountains as I prepare to leave them tomorrow. And they have been good to me. They've extracted a cost. We've been cold and wet, and we've been rained on and held on, but the rewards have outweighed the price extracted. So look at that. There is the tower built by the Civilian Conservation Corps. These young men and women, I guess young men, who were used as laborers by the government and paid and taught skills during that time of the Depression. Let's go in and take a look. Well worth the challenge of getting up there. Here's the sign that talks about it. I'll take a picture and post that so you can take your time to read it. Mount Cammerer Lookout, 1939, shortly after the completion. The lookout was a two-story structure built on the ground, and a tower was a tall timber or angle iron structure designed to rise above the trees. Let's go in and take a look. Here we are, inside. I think it might be a little noisy, but I think this might be home for the night. Well, it's been a long day, but man, I brought you any of the beauty from some of the views. I just want to walk you around and give you a 360-degree panorama of what we have here. Let's look at this. Friends, I bring you the Smoky Mountains. all its beauty. So as the sun sets here on Mount Cammerer, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay on the path. God bless you.
I'm wondering if you'd come wandering my way. If you ever get lost, or if the trail leads you astray, the music of the pack can always bring you back. I wonder, can we wander away? And I'll spread the word, and you beat the drum. Round up the troops and get the gang to come, and we'll leave the streets in these neighborhoods, head over the river